The Congress leaders have now raised concerns over India's drug regulator granting permission for restricted use of Bharat Biotech's Covaxin and asked the government to explain why mandatory protocols and verification of data has been dispensed with. Congress MP Shashi Tharoor warned against the use of Covaxin, saying that approval was premature and could be dangerous as the vaccine is still undergoing phase 3 trials. The Congress MP demanded a clarification on this from Union Health Minister Harsh Vardhan. Another senior Congress leader, Jairam Ramesh, has raised concern asking the Union Health Minister to clarify why internationally accepted protocols on phase 3 trials are being modified. Meanwhile, Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav on Saturday said that he would not take the BJP's vaccine as he does not trust them.
In the West and particularly in the US.
My own view is that once the specialists, the epidemiologists, the virologists, the regulators have applied their mind and actually licensed a vaccine for emergency use or otherwise for mass proliferation, I think that should really settle the matter, because ultimately nobody should try and substitute their opinion for the opinion of somebody who's actually spent a lifetime doing this. And I think there is enough institutional integrity in our medical fraternity to be able to really distinguish between what is safe and what could perhaps be unsafe.
The world is facing an unprecedented crisis in COVID. World over, the vaccines that have come have been fast-tracked. Usually these vaccines take anywhere between 5, 6 to 10 years. But of course, given the urgency, most countries have collaborated together and come up with vaccines that have gone on the fast-track trial. Now, whether it is the Oxford vaccine or Bharat Biotech, they have all followed the norms and they have been approved for administration given the circumstances that we are in. The DGCI has clarified that all protocols have been taken into account and all precautionary measures have been taken. There are people who have gone on record to say that they had taken the vaccine, 2 doses of it, and they have had no extraneous influence or any other manifestation. Given this scenario, I think it is priority for us to save lives, and India has done exceedingly well in keeping the mortality rate at a very, very low level. In fact, we have done much better than developed countries like America, and United Kingdom and others.
Yes,
we should take pride in the fact that the government of India has done things proactively, and the drug controller has taken all the appropriate steps and then approved this for.
Meanwhile, Dr. Jagdish Hiremath, Managing Director of A. Suhas Hospital, responded to concerns on the safety of the vaccine, saying people should have faith on the experts who have given the approval. Listen in to what the doctor has to say on this. There are many, whether they are from politics or otherwise, there are many naysayers for the vaccine as well who think that it's rather very premature. The nod is coming too early. The phase 3 clinical data of Covaxin is opaque, not been released in public domain, and hence flagging off certain concerns. How would you allay these fears, and what do you have to tell them today?
See, I just have to say this, that people should rely on science. People should rely on experts. I'm not a politician, so I will not go into the politics of it.
No, not even expecting you to. Yes.
Yeah, the subject expert committee is filled with people who are subject experts. They have gone through this in a very, very proper scrutinizing manner, and then they have decided that it is deemed fit to give Covaxin the approval as an emergency basis on clinical trial basis. It's not a complete, although in the case of Covishield we have a emergency use approval. In the case of Covaxin, it is still considered as a extension of clinical trial. I am pretty sure that even the phase 3 trials would have gone through very well. I've gone through the numbers. They have done more than 20,000 in phase 3. More than 20,000 people have gotten into this phase 3 trial, and the subject expert committee would have got all these results. Then they would have given the approval. So for us to cast aspersions on it is wrong. I would suggest people to listen to the experts and just go ahead with the vaccination program.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.